In the beginning, there was light, brilliant, chaotic, infinite. But even light has an ending. What happens when every star burns out, when even the universe itself grows cold? Stay with me, because hidden in the universe's death lies a clue to life itself and to what might outlast time. Tonight we race across time itself, through 5 great eras of existence, to witness the rise, the blaze, and the final fading of everything we know. It begins in silence. No stars, no galaxies, not even atoms. Only energy, raw and unshaped, filling an infant universe. In that first whisper of time, chaos cools, and from the storm of creation, matter starts to take form. Protons, neutrons, and electrons dance together, the first ingredients of everything yet to come. The newborn cosmos glows with its own afterlight, a faint, endless hum known as the cosmic microwave background. There are no stars yet, no suns to warm the dark, just expanding stillness and scattered light. But in that silence, gravity begins its quiet work, drawing clouds of gas into invisible patterns. And from those invisible hands, the first stars ignite. And with that spark, the universe awakens into its next great chapter, the age of starlight. The darkness blossoms with fire. Everywhere, stars are born, lighting up the void like sparks in an endless ocean. This is the stelliferous era, the time when galaxies shine, and the night sky burns with billions of suns. For eons, stars live and die. In their hearts, they forge the elements of life: carbon, oxygen, iron, the very dust from which we are made. Every sunrise, every breath, every heartbeat, borrowed from the fire of ancient stars. Galaxies collide and merge. New stars replace the old. And for a while, the universe feels alive, vibrant, restless, and full of purpose. If there were cosmic traffic lights, this would be rush hour, with galaxies politely ignoring the rules. But even this brilliance cannot last forever. Every fuel burns out. Every flame, no matter how vast, must one day fade. As the stars grow old and the lights begin to dim, the universe drifts quietly into its next era. The stars begin to die. You could say the universe just turned the lights off and forgot where it put the switch. One by one, their cores go dark. The great furnaces that once lit the galaxies fall silent. Star birth slows, then stops. The last suns exhaust their hydrogen, leaving behind cold embers, white dwarfs, neutron stars, and ancient husks of light. The Milky Way, once a glowing spiral of life and color, dims to a faint ghost in the dark. Planets freeze, galaxies fade to shadows, and what remains are silent, cooling remnants, each a memory of fire. Trillions upon trillions of years pass. The cosmos grows older, slower, colder. Even eternity can grow old. And when the last ember fades, the universe enters the reign of its final titans. In the silence of collapsed stars, only the black holes remain. Cosmic predators. They drift through the dark, devouring what little matter still lingers. Galaxies are gone, their ancient hearts, now black holes, waiting in the void. For eons they dominate, shaping the emptiness with invisible gravity, warping time itself. But even these giants are not eternal. Through a whisper of quantum law, hawking radiation, they slowly evaporate, bleeding their last energy into the night. One by one, they fade, each collapse releasing the faintest sigh of existence. When the last one dies, no stars remain, no galaxies, only silence. And in that silence begins the final age. The universe is now a shadow of itself. No light, no warmth, no structure, only particles adrift in infinite night. Time stretches meaninglessly. Even atoms decay, Their energy spreads so thin that nothing can ever meet again. The cosmic expansion continues, and with it, every photon stretches, its wavelength growing until its energy is almost nothing. The stars are gone, the galaxies forgotten, the universe asleep. And yet, perhaps not all is lost. For deep within the equations of physics lingers a faint suggestion that energy, information, and maybe even consciousness can never truly disappear. Which means, even at the end of everything, something might still remain. The story of the universe is not one of tragedy, but of transformation. From chaos to light, from brilliance to silence. Each era, a verse in the poem of existence. And if this journey through time has sparked wonder in you, don't let it fade. Follow these paths with me as we keep unfolding the mysteries that connect every atom and every mind. And though the cosmos itself may fall into darkness, the laws that shaped it still whisper of something eternal. Because what if consciousness itself is part of that unending equation? And if the universe does have an afterlife, let's hope it remembers us kindly. In our next journey, we'll step beyond time and entropy to ask the ultimate question: does consciousness survive the end of everything? Join me next in The Quantum Soul, Consciousness Beyond Death.